What are termites and how will they destroy a pier and beam crawl space type home? Hey, it's Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair. I just want to point out some things that I'm seeing in this old home here. First off, evidence of termites always looks like little trails, little trickles, little tunnels of dirt on the side of a concrete beam in this case. And they're just chewing and climbing their way to the top. They want to bypass this concrete to get to the soft material that they can chew up a lot on. And this is the problem when you don't use pressure treated pine. You don't have proper ventilation. You've got drainage issues around the home. They like a dark environment like this, and they will ultimately destroy your entire home. What they'll do is get to the floor joist and chew on that until it just breaks apart. I shouldn't be able to punch a screwdriver through and just break that off, and then in my hands break that. They'll bypass the floor joist, and they'll go to subfloor as well. Shouldn't be able to stick a screwdriver upside down on a floor joist, in a subfloor, and break that apart. This material here is not pressure treated. Likely that these floor joists aren't as well. And this has been years, 30, 35, or 40 years of undetected, untreated, and uncontrolled termite damage in a crawl space.